Hello and welcome to Sourav's classes. Today we are discussing the IIT JAM 2020 Mathematical Statistics paper, and this question talks about finding the limit of a function as n tend towards infinity. So what we'll do first is to divide the numerator and denominator by n square. So if we do that, then this becomes limit n tending to infinity root over n square plus 1 plus n whole square divided by n square, and in the denominator we'll have cube root of n to the power 6 plus 1 divided by n square. So this will be, I take the n inside and I write this as root over n square plus 1 by n plus 1 whole to the power 2 divided by cube root of n to the power 6 divided by n to the power 6, because the power gets increased threefold, so n to the power 6 by n to the power 6 by 1 plus 1 by n to the power 6, and this can be written as root over, I'll take the n inside the square root, so root over it will be n squared, so 1 by n plus 1 by n square, 1 by n square plus 1 whole square divided by cube root of 1 plus 1 by n to the power 6. So as n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0, 1 by n square tends to 0. So the first term in the numerator becomes 0, and we are left with plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 1 by n to the power 6. This goes to 0, so cube root of 1 is 1, so that is equal to 1. So the value of limit n tending to infinity of this function is equal to 1. The next question says, what is the maximum value of the function y defined by x square by x4 plus 4? So maximum value means limit x tending to infinity, because x is a real number. So limit x tending to infinity of y is what we have to find, and in order to do that, we write y as x square by x4. We divide both numerator and denominator by the highest power of x in the function, so x square by x4 divided by x4 by x4 is 1 plus 4 by x4. So this is equal to 1 by x square, this is my numerator, and 1 plus 4 by x4, which is my denominator. And as x tends to infinity, then 1 by x square tends to 0, 4 by x4 tends to 0, so this becomes equal to 0 by 1, which is equal to 0. So the maximum value of the function is 0.